How to view your Substack welcome page URL. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to view it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up a browser, Chrome, Edge, etc. Now we can type in a Substack URL. For example, this is our URL. When you head over to your profile, you should be finding a URL with https substack.com and your username. So what we need to do is we need to add welcome at the end. So go ahead and click on it and type in /welcome and hit enter. When you do, you will be opening up your Substack welcome page where you can start publishing. We can click on this option to start publishing. And this is one of the methods. Apart from that, what we can do is we can go over and directly go ahead and look out for publication details. So once we are here, we can go to our settings, look out for more, go to settings, and look out for publication details. So here we have different options. You can find your site or URL section. You can scroll down and look out for it. But otherwise, if you want to know your profile link or username, you can head over to profile, look out for the three-dot option and click on it. Click on this option called copy link and your link will be copied to dashboard. You can go ahead and paste it. That should directly open up your profile page where you can add up welcome in the last in your URL section. So go ahead and select it, type in /welcome, hit enter and go ahead and add it in the address bar and that will open it up. This page is what new visitors will see first. You can bookmark it on your PC for quick access. And that's it. That is it, everybody. You may follow out this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.